Hi, and welcome to Busy. When you joined Busy, you would have received an email from us asking you to verify your email address. Until you do that, the red bar at the top of the screen will remain. Once you have verified your email address, it will turn to green and then disappear, and you're all verified. It is now time to finish updating your business profile. In the top right-hand corner, where you see your business name and the downward arrow, is where you will find most of your settings and your personal dashboard. If you click down, you will see your business name, the words View Profile, a Settings button, and on the left-hand side, a grey box with buildings in it. If you click on the View Profile, you will see the information that you have already added at Sign Up. It is now time to complete your profile. You will see edit buttons that will enable you to add your bio, add all your social media channels, your website, and also change the image of the buildings to your company logo or any other image that you feel represents your business the best. That is how you finish completing your profile on Busy. Other businesses on Busy can now find you easier and start doing business with you.